My dear students, good evening to everybody. As I told already, so far we have completed 12th standard mathematics in our previous videos. Almost all chapters of 12th standard have been completed in our previous videos. Now, in this video, I am going to start a topic integral calculus. This topic is in 11th standard. State board syllabus, it is in 11th standard as chapter 11. Whereas it is in the 12th standard CBSE board as in chapter 7. So, integral calculus, chapter number 7 in CBSE board 12th standard, the same topic is in the state board syllabus in 11th standard, chapter number 11 you have. Okay? The integral calculus is the reverse process of differential calculus. Integral calculus is the reverse process of differential calculus. Or otherwise, integral calculus is the function can be integrated and that is called integration. Differentiation. We have differentiate a function with respect to x is called a differentiation, and integration is the reverse process of differentiation. The integral calculus is the reverse process of differential calculus, or otherwise we can say that integration is the reverse process of differentiation. Example, you know d by dx of sin x. Derivative of sin x with respect to x, you know cos x. D by dx of sin x is cos x, you know. Derivative of sin x is cos x, we have seen in our differential calculus topic. D by dx of sin x is cos x. See, this dx is cos x dx. This symbol d by dx becomes integral symbol. This is integration. So, integral of cos x is sin x. So, that's why it is called the reverse process. The differentiation, integration is the reverse process of differentiation. So, derivative of sin x is cos x. The integral of cos x is sin x. So, d by dx of sin x, d by dx is the derivative symbol. Integral dx is the integral symbol. For cos x is integrand. The function cos x is called integrand. Some this here we have had some constant. Okay, sin x only, you know, but one more constant you have to add in the integral value. Sin x plus some integrating constant c. See, the derivative of sin x is cos x, but integral of cos x is sin x plus some constant c, parametric constant c. Why? This integral is called indefinite integral. So, limit 0 to pi. If you have limit from 0 to pi, this integral is called a definite integral. For this definite integral, the integrating constant cannot be appear. So, if the limits are not given for integration, that integral is called indefinite integral. The indefinite integral gives you answer plus some integrating constant c. That's why the c is called integral constant. On integrating cos x, we get sin x plus some integrating constant c. Why? Because this is the indefinite integral. If the limits are given, this integral becomes definite integral. In that case, c cannot be exist. So, cos x is called integrand. Cos x is called integrand, and dxx, x dx in the x in dx is called integrator. So, these are the explanation, but this symbol is called integral symbol. D by dx is differential symbol. Integral is like this. This symbol indicates the integration of cos x. Similarly, one more example. You know, d by dx of e power x is e power x only. Derivative of e power x is e power x only. Now, this integral of e power x with respect to x dx is again e power x is. Derivative of e power x is e power x. The integral of e power x is also e power x plus some integrating constant c. So, like that, these two are examples for integration. We will give some more results for integration. Okay. Next, we will see some important results. You know that in differentiation, d by dx of derivative of x power n, you know, n into x power n minus 1. D by dx of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. This is the derivative of x power n. N is an integer. D by dx of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. For example, d by dx of x power 4 is equal to 4 into x cube, 4 minus 3. Like that, the differentiation implies that n in the x power n is an integer. Whereas in integration, integral x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus an integrating constant. This is our formula. Integral x power n dx is n into x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. For example, integral x cube dx is equal to x power 3 plus 1 4 by 4, x power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. Actually, the rule, you apply that. If n is an integer, x cube dx is x power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c, that is equal to x power 4 by 4 plus c. Okay. See, this is our formula for a differentiation integration x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, integral of x power n is. Whereas integral derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. See, on integrating 4x cube, we will get x power 4. You consider this example. Integral of 4x cube dx. In this case, 4 is a constant. You can take the constant out of the integral. You will get 4 into integral x cube dx. The constant 4 cannot affect the integral value. Therefore, the constant can be taken out of the integral. So, x cube dx is our integration. So, by formula 4 into x cube, derivative of x cube, you know, x power 4 by 4 plus c. 4 cancel, you will get x power 4. See, integral of 4x cube is x power 4 plus the integrating constant. So, derivative of x power is 4x cube. Integral of 4x cube is x power 4. Just before I told you, the integration is the inverse process of differentiation. Derivative of x power 4 is 4x cube. The integral of 4x cube is x power 4. This integrating constant can be exist for this integration is an indefinite term. Okay. Next example, if I using this result x integral x square dx, it is x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c, that is equal to integral x cube by 3 plus c. Like that, we have to integrate. Integral x dx. Here integral n is 1. Here integral n is 1. Here your n is not equal to minus 1. You remember, in this case n should not be minus 1 because if n is equal to minus 1, plus 1 is denominator becomes 0, the function does not exist. Therefore, the condition is, for integration, the natural number n should not be minus 1. Except minus 1, any integer can be exist. So integral x dx is, by using the result, integral, here your power is 1, so x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus c, so that is equal to integral x power 1 plus 1 is x square by 2 plus c. Integral dx is, x dx is x square by 2 plus c. So next, this is an example. This is formula, and using this formula we are solving the examples 1, and this is checking example, and this is 3 and 4. Fifth one is integral dx only. Here no function is 1. 1 means integral x power 0 dx. You consider integral 1 into dx by x power 0. X power 0 is 1. As usual, your result x power 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 1 plus c. X power 0 plus 1 is x. X power 1 by 1. That is equal to x power 1 by 1 is x plus c. So integral dx is x plus c. For this result, integral dx is x plus c. Integral x dx is x squared by 2, and so on. Like that, the result x power n dx is existed. By using this result, we are solving these problems. Okay? Next, using the same result, so far we have seen this n is a positive integer. So far we have seen some examples where n is a positive integer. If n is a negative integer, for example, it is x power minus 3 dx. If n is minus 3, in this case also, x power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1 plus c, except minus 1, n should not be minus 1. So that x power minus 3 dx is x power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1. X power minus 3 plus 1 is x power minus 2 by minus 2 plus c. This is equal to minus 1 by 2x square plus c. You can write x power minus 2 by 1 by x square, already 2 in the denominator, therefore minus 1 by 2x square plus c is the answer for this x power minus 3 dx. Integral x power minus 3 dx is 1 minus 1 by 2x square dx. This is another example if n is a negative integer. One more example. If x power minus 5 dx is equal to x power minus 5 plus 1 by minus 5 plus 1 plus c, that is equal to x power minus 4 by minus 4 plus c, that is equal to minus 1 by 4. 4x power minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. X power minus 4 becomes 1 by x power 4. So minus 1 by 4 x power 4 plus c is the answer for this integral value, x power minus 5 dx. And x is what is it? Some irrational number. N is irrational. For example, integral root x dx. Fraction. That is, integral root x can be expressed as x power of dx. Root x is integral x power of dx. If n is a fraction number, a rational number, so for this also the same result is applicable. X power minus 2 plus 1 by, x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by, integral x power of dx is x power of plus 1 by of plus 1 plus c, that is equal to integral x power 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c, this is equal to 3 by 2 becomes, denominator 3 by 2 becomes 2 by 3, denominator becomes 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 plus c. So integral root x dx is x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c, or otherwise 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 plus c. Because x power of plus 1 is 3 by 2. It is another example for root x. Similarly, another example, if integral 1 by root x dx, in this case, how can you integrate this 1 by root x? This is integral x power minus of dx. In this case also, the same result you apply, x power minus of is x power minus of plus 1 by minus of plus 1 minus half plus 1. X power minus half plus 1 is x power minus half plus 1 is half. X power half by half plus c. That is 1 by 2 becomes 2. X power half is root x plus c. So integral 1 by root x dx is 2 root x plus c. Integral value of 1 by root x dx is, you consider this 1 by root x by x power minus half. After applying the result, n is minus half. So x power minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1. Therefore you get x power half plus 1 is minus half plus 1 is 1 minus half, that is 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. This 1 by 2, denominator 1 by 2 becomes 2. X power half is root x. So 2 root x plus c is the integral value of 1 by root x dx. That's all about the results. Negative integer, positive integer or integer rational number. For all these cases, this result is to be used for solving this type of problems. Okay? And thereby I conclude my video here, and we will continue the remaining topic in the next video. So integral calculus is a very important topic. It is a very important topic for higher studies. If you go to higher studies, for example, engineering or whatever it may be, higher classes, BSc or MSc mathematics, whatever it may be, this topic is very, very important. Therefore, you follow me the topic very carefully, and if you interest, you will share my videos and subscribe my channel and follow my videos carefully. Thank you.